Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is Nash from Tesla and the Gong. This is another DIY video where I add more personal touches and some customization to my 2021 Tesla Model 3, spending under 325 Aussie dollars. As with all my videos, this one is not sponsored either, but I do have a little something in the end of this video to sweeten the pot, so do watch till then. I have other DIY videos to spice up your Model 3 in my channel. Do check out those playlists as well. Let's do this. First up is an all-weather interior floor mat, custom made for our right-hand drive Tesla Model 3s. And yes, they do fit both the 2021 Fremont and the 2021 Shanghai-made Tesla Model 3s as well. Although my long-range Model 3 did come with a soft floor mat, I wanted these all-weather mats because I think they are amazingly made and they help protect the floor of our cars. In particular, I have these installed in my rental Tesla Model 3, which I hire out via ev.com.au ex-Canberra, and they have really helped to keep my SR Plus Model 3's floor clean, and they are super durable as they have stood the test of multiple users using them for the last 6 months. As you can imagine, it is super easy to install this, and they fit the 3 like a glove. It is made from easy to clean thermoplastic elastomers, which make it super light and durable. They are water resistant and slip proof as well. These cost 199 Aussie dollars. The next set of customization are these performance pedals. If you watched my earlier video where I added custom rear Tesla logos, I also added a dual motor name tag with a red line signifying that it may be a performance version. So this is the next step in bringing that performance look to my long-range Tesla Model 3. The next is not a customization per se, but if there is a necessity to rotate your tires or to change your tires in the event of a puncture, it is important to have these Model 3 jack pads, and they cost under $50. The next is an armrest storage box coming under $35. Alright guys, this is the secret cubby hole under the armrest. You can see that here. This is usually just a blank space, and so you can maximize the space by adding this. It gives you some extra stuff, you see. So you can pull this open and you can add some stuff inside there. Now, this just maximizes space. You can probably put some keys inside, coins inside, and in the event of a break-in, in case you have it, maybe you want to keep something which is a little bit more precious inside here, because most people wouldn't look at this spot when they're trying to rob your car or something like that. So this is a nifty addition. I bought all of these via Testlaws.com.au, that is Testloz.com.au, and they have a vast many other customization products for a Tesla Model 3, SX, and I'm sure for the Y as well, so do check them out. So there you go, some more customization products for your Model 3, and if you're picking up the all-weather mat, check out the description of this video for a discount link as well. If you are in the lookout for a Tesla of your own, an S3X or a Y, kindly consider using my referral code for 1,500 kilometers of free supercharger credits. The description of this video has details of the same. It's money on the table, so don't let this go. A subscription to the channel will be highly appreciated. Also smash that bell icon to get notifications of my videos as soon as they drop. I have more customization videos on my channel, so do check out those playlists too. I'll see you guys in another interesting video very soon. Until then, this is Nash from Tesla and the Gong, signing off. Peace.